wonky, doll. Bit wonky. There we go. Hi guys, and welcome back to another weekly vlog. I hope you guys are all doing well. Happy Wednesday. I've had a really lovely morning this morning. It's just been so relaxing. I feel a good energy, a good vibe going into this week, even though we're like halfway through. Oops. Happy hump day. I just had a coffee and made myself some choc protein oats. As you guys saw, I stewed some apples this morning, which I'm so glad I did because I didn't last week and I had like serious withdrawals. Like I needed an intervention. Not that it's like the worst thing to be addicted to. It's literally apples, cinnamon and water. Probably not a big deal. Now I'm about to pop on some laundry and then head to the gym. I haven't been to the gym in like a week, so wish me luck. That'll be interesting. And then later tonight we have family therapy, which will be fun. It is actually fun. I find it really therapeutic, very enjoyable, highly recommend. Even if your family doesn't have like issues, I can guarantee there's probably some area or areas that you need to work on or like issues you need to work through. It's good. Big fan, and I hope that it's more normalized. Hi guys, so it is now Thursday. Happy Thursday. It's crazy weather right now. I just got home from the gym, took a shower. I'm about to do my laser hair removal. I was gonna go for a walk with my mum, but the weather is just not a vibe right now. So yeah, I'm gonna do my at-home laser hair removal, probably whiten my teeth as well. I get a lot of questions about both, so I'm gonna show you guys. For my at-home laser hair removal, I showed this in a vlog not long ago. The vlog was sponsored, but this isn't. I have just been using the Selfie Skin IPL laser hair removal. I do have a discount code if you guys want to save money on it, but so far I really like it. I still haven't done the full 12 weeks, which is when you're meant to see permanent results, but the machine itself is really good, and I've definitely noticed a decrease in hair growth, which is great. And then in terms of teeth whitening, I get a surprising amount of questions asking how my teeth are so white, which I don't really understand. Maybe because of my Instagram photos, I think my teeth look extra white just because of the filter I use, but I also do use these. These are the Oral-B 3D white strips. I think they're regularly like $35 for a pack. Does last you quite a while. I don't use them every single day, probably like once every few weeks, which I don't think is how you're meant to use them, but that's just how I do it. They do go on sale at Woolies for like half price every now and then, so keep that in mind. But yeah, that's what I use in terms of teeth whitening. Just remember that what you see on Instagram isn't always reality. I do use an Instagram filter. Like I'm very transparent about that. It doesn't change how I look, but it definitely makes the white in photos look a lot whiter. I don't know why I'm showing you like this is an Instagram filter. I'm vlogging right now. Anyway, yeah, it is now quite a while later. I just had Taylor Swift's Folklore album blasting, and we've got a candle going, and then dinner cooking over here. It's a real vibe tonight. We're having spaghetti bolognese. Oh my gosh, looking good, looking good. Nick's just popped out to go get a bottle of wine because I was just feeling in a winey mood tonight. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the spag bowl, maybe it's the candle. My fine china. Just kidding, it's from Kmart. Good morning, you guys. So I'm making my morning coffee and I thought I would try these today. They're the Starbucks pods. We got these from Woolies. They were on sale, so we thought we'd give them a go. But this one's the Pike Place, which when I worked at Starbucks was like the tried and true fave. It's like a medium roast, so we're gonna give this a go. Hi guys, so I don't think I've shown my face yet this morning. When was the last time I vlogged today? I think it was this morning when I was making my coffee. Coffee was great, by the way. Really like the Starbucks pods. Probably won't buy them all the time just because they're quite expensive. We just wanted to try them because they were on sale. So Also, I've been getting a lot of messages and a lot of comments from you guys suggesting that I invest in some reusable pods. I saw a comment from someone, or maybe it was a message, and they recommended a specific brand, but I cannot find the comment for the life of me. So if that was you, or any of you, if you've ever used any reusable pods for your Nespresso machine, please let me know what your favorite brand is, because I've been looking and there's just so many, and it's obviously like an investment, a good investment, like an investment in the environment, and also like budget wise it's not too bad. So it's definitely something that I want to look into, but I'm just not really sure what brand to go for. But anyway, it's a lot later now. I have had a very relaxed day. It's like so cold and rainy and windy. It's just been like non-stop the last couple of days, so I just felt like sitting on the couch and like watching YouTube, replying to some emails. I played a bit of Sims, to be quite honest. Like I love Sims. I really go through phases where I'm like obsessed with Sims, can't stop, won't stop playing it like 24/7, and then I won't play it for like 3 months, pick up again, addiction. It's just like a vicious cycle. But yeah, it's been a chill day, really just enjoying all of this downtime before I start full-time work, which if you didn't watch last week's vlog, I got a new little job opportunity, which is exciting. I'm not exactly sure when my start date is, to be completely honest. It was meant to be potentially this week or next week, but it looks like it will be a little bit longer. There's a project that we're working on that just needs some approval, so yeah, who knows when I'll be starting, but I am definitely just enjoying all of this time, focusing all my energy and my time into my YouTube and my social media, which has been nice, and sorting out this apartment. I realized that this room, this is our bedroom, by the way, in case you didn't know. I feel like this room, I show it in good angles, like it doesn't look that bad and unorganized, but like it's pretty bad. This is probably the most neglected room in our apartment. The living room and the kitchen are nice and sorted, like almost 100% complete, but this room needs a little TLC. So that's what we're gonna be doing this afternoon / evening. It's like almost 5 o'clock. And look at me, I look like I just escaped from prison. Cute. So this is the wardrobe situation. Nick's side is actually not that bad. I'm very impressed. We have our shoes up there for now because we're not really sure what to do with them. Do we get a shoe rack? Do we not? I don't know. His cricket bag, our vacuum and mop. Then this middle section, there's some shelves. There's no drawers, so we got these little wheelie binny things that have dividers in the middle for our socks and underwear, just because the shelf is like not really practical. And then this side is my side, which actually looks pretty organized. But then we have this. I still have bags of clothes from when we first moved that I just haven't unpacked. It's mostly summer clothes, to be fair, so I don't really need them. And then we have the infamous chair in the corner of the room. Jojo just uploaded a new vlog, so I'm gonna watch that while I do it. Good morning, you guys. Happy Sunday. I am feeling a little worse for wear this morning. I don't feel like hungover, but I'm just like tired, you know? Oh god, that lighting. But yeah, last night was really fun. Went to Nick's parents' house and had dinner for his brother's birthday. His mum puts on like a whole spread. She always does the absolute most. 3-course meal, whole bottle of wine, like yes ma'am. And then afterwards we went to a bar called Roxy's and had some drinks. Well, quite a lot of drinks with friends, which was so lovely. It's so weird with all the COVID restrictions. Like it's really hard to go out these days. Jesus. But we got in with a VIP treatment thanks to Ashley. I don't know if she's watching this, but you know those people that you hate that get let in just because they know someone? That was us last night. I would have hated me too. The amount of dead stares that we got, it was so funny. Hi guys, so it is a while later now. I feel marginally better than I did this morning. I don't know why I even tried to vlog. I was like half asleep. I wasn't hungover, believe it or not, like not super hungover. I was just really tired. So I'm the type of person that no matter what and no matter how much I've drunk or how late the night has been, I always wake up at like 7:30. So that's why I I was so tired. We went to bed at like 1:30, woke up at 7:30. It's just like not enough hours for me. I need my beauty sleep. Anyway, I just posted on my Instagram story asking for some questions. Just to wrap up this vlog, I feel like I haven't actually sat down and chatted with you guys one-on-one, which if you're not following me on Instagram, would recommend that you do so. I've been very consistent with my posting, I must say. Also on my YouTube as well. My like little schedule that I've got going on. I'm very proud of myself. I don't need external validation, but I'm actually very proud of myself, like pat on the back. I've really tried to be a lot more consistent with my social media recently, and it is paying off, and I feel like I've really connected with you guys even more, so we love that. Anyway, I thought I would answer a few questions that you guys have. First one is, are you guys still planning on traveling to Bali/Europe? I mean, yes. When that will be is a great question. Honestly, no idea. Does anyone have any idea? Let me know. Were you worried that living together would make or break your relationship? No. I don't know if it was necessarily faith in our relationship, although that is like an element to it, but it was more so like not stalling the inevitable. Like it is a make or break thing whether or not you can live with your significant other. I think if it gets to the point where the natural next step is to live together, there's no point really stalling it just because you're scared that it might not work out. Chances are it probably will, and if it doesn't, it's obviously not meant to be, and at least you know that before you've wasted any more time. Do you know what I mean? Advice on dealing with a breakup. I could honestly do a whole video on this. I have some words to say, some opinions to give, some advice to share. I was thinking about doing like a whole sit down like girly Q&A, just like a girl chat, just talking about topics like boys and breakups and periods, birth control, like all of those kinds of things. Just a safe space to discuss and give my opinions and advice. I don't know if that's something you guys would be interested in. We could probably have a glass of wine, just like limber up. I feel like I just have a lot to say, but I'm also not qualified to say. So I don't know. If you guys want to see a video like that, let me know. Who does majority of the house tasks, e.g. cooking or cleaning, etc.? I feel like it might look like I do more, but it's really not the case. It's pretty even. I probably do like a touch more around the house just because I'm not working at the moment and Nick's been working full time. Obviously that will change when I go back to work, and it'll be very 50-50, but I have a lot more free time and I just feel compelled to help out more. I also enjoy cooking, and I'm only showing what I do. This is my channel, this isn't a couple's channel, so I only really vlog me cooking or cleaning. Yeah, I don't show everything, so it might look like I do more, but I don't. Do you recommend renting, or is buying a house the way to go when you're young? I don't think there's a right way or a wrong way to do it. I personally would recommend renting. I think it's been a really good experience for us. I think it's taught us a lot about adulthood and all of the responsibilities that come with living out of home without having a mortgage and all of those other responsibilities that come with being a homeowner. So it's been a good stepping stone. There's definitely pros and cons to both. I just know that for us and our situation, renting was the best option for us, but obviously it's not for everyone. We just really wanted to experience living together before committing financially together, just on the off chance that it didn't work out and we couldn't coexist together. We were not like financially tied to one another. So that was really important for us. I could have stayed at home for another year, but I think that my mental health would have suffered considerably. I went a lot more in depth on that question and why we moved out in a whole separate moving Q&A, so I'll have that link down below in case you guys missed it, as well as on the screen somewhere maybe, if I'm feeling crafty. Okay, I'm gonna answer one last question. This has become a hot topic on a lot of my vlogs, I guess because it's kind of out of the norm, I don't know. Do you have any plans to get your license, or is it just not something you're interested in? Well, Alyssa, let me explain myself. I can't really justify why I haven't got my license yet. I feel like a lot of people think it's because I've had like some traumatic car experience and I'm just like scared of driving. That's not the case, thank God, like touch wood. That's a wall, that's cement down. Long story short, or long story long, I'm probably gonna ramble. I got my learner's permit when I was 17, almost 18, so I was pretty late to the game already. A lot of my friends were already learning to drive or even had their Ps at that point. I don't know why I got it so late. If I probably would be zipping around by now if I got it when I was like 16, but I didn't. I then turned 18, and then shortly after I turned 18, I moved to Canada. I lived in Canada for two and a half years. During that time, I did not drive while I was there. I didn't need to drive. I also didn't want to drive. They drive on the wrong side of the road, wrong side of the car. Weird road rules, lots of highways where I was living. I was living near Toronto, so I didn't need to drive anyway. I worked in downtown Toronto, so I caught public transport. I didn't need to drive, essentially. And then I've been home back in Australia for like almost 3 years and I just haven't driven. This is where the procrastination comes in, because I feel like it was justified up until that point. Now it's been 3 years and I just haven't been bothered to get my license. I just don't feel an urge, a want to drive. Maybe learning to drive, but not having a car. I think that's probably my biggest thing. I don't want a car, like they're so expensive. The upkeep is just ridiculous. I would so much rather pay for Ubers, get public transport. Like I'm very lucky in where I live and where I have lived. Yeah, it's something that I definitely need to do and I want to do. I just have basically put it off. Maybe I should vlog it. Maybe that'll inspire me like learning to drive. I'll set up a GoPro in the car or something. That would be so funny. I just spat everywhere. That's disgusting. If you guys want to see that content, let me know. Maybe that will really give me the little kick up my bahootie that I need to learn to drive. I don't know. Yeah, hopefully that gave you a little bit of, oh, hello. Focus on me. There we go. Looking like Voldemort. Yeah, hopefully that clarifies things a little bit more for you guys. Nick's just in the shower. We're about to head to my parents' house for family dinner. Maybe go for a walk. It's a really beautiful day here in Adelaide. Absolutely loving it. Blue skies. Forgot what they looked like this week. It was so bad. Yeah, maybe we'll go for a walk. I think I'm gonna bring the mind game that we bought last week because that was so much fun. Wild Sunday night. Hello, girly. What are you doing? We were distracted in the background.
No, I like it. Look, he's doing the limbo.
Why did you hesitate? It's a 1!
I said there's something wrong.
Oh my god. It's the one thing you can't do right.
Well, I can do lots of things wrong.
Oh, well done. That's a coaster. Thank you.
Sorry, I didn't hear.
How come I have 4 of red?
I just left you a tea up.
Yeah, that's a mistake. Much, Nick.
But which one do I give away?
I think I need
This
another
one.
red.
Okay, there you go. Oh, that's
Oh,
probably...
that was you took one
yeah,
of his.
you took one of... You nuts.
No.
Hang on, we've lost a lot.
We lost a lot.
Yeah.
We lost 2.
2.
Oh, I've lost something as well.
Oh my